Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm just making coffee, as you probably saw. I'm just watching this amazing video from one of my favorite channels. She's called Relaxing Samy, and whenever she puts out any content, this is what I do. I usually put this on as I'm making coffee. It's just a wonderful way to start the morning. Yeah, I highly recommend this channel. Just beautifully shot. Some of the cinematography is just mind-bogglingly good. She's very knowledgeable, she's very friendly. Visit her channel, leave a like, leave a comment. She doesn't bite. She's very nice. Yeah, give it a go. Look at these two. You've had your walk, now they want their breakfast. These are the wave buoys this morning, 3.6 meters at 16.7 seconds. So the plan is to go down to this really sheltered spot down the central coast. I'm going to have a quick look at spot Y on the way, just to make sure it isn't rideable there. But yeah, pretty big. Quite excited, but a little bit worried, to be honest, but you can only try. Well, I'm at spot B this morning. I've had a look. It looks like it's breaking in the channel. I'm not even going to bother going further south. I think I'm just going to go out here. It's too dark to even see to film on the beach. But yeah, out into the channel. Hopefully not to drown this time. Well, this might be a bit of a hoax mission. I've got the super tanker. I don't think it's going to be particularly good. The rest of the guys have gone down to spot Y and further down the central coast, but I'm just keen to go out there for a paddle and see what happens. Well, it doesn't look like there's a hell of a lot happening, but it is reasonably smooth and the tide is running out. I'm going to go out for a paddle anyway. Let's go surfing. To be honest, it's looking like a bit of a bust. I haven't seen anything come around that corner at all. There's a little wave in here. So if the worst comes to the worst, oh yeah, I can see waves breaking. Well, I haven't seen a single wave since I started paddling out, since the last lot. Unfortunately, it's southerly swell and it's blocked by that island over there. You can see me drifting this way as soon as I stop paddling, because that's where you need to sit, further in there. They've still got the state titles on here in the corner on the main beach there. You can see all the tents and paraphernalia that they've got. One of the big game fishing boats going out over the bar. Oh, I'm too far inside, I think. Oh. Well, that's frustrating. Well, that was exciting. There was only 2 waves in the set, so now that I'm not a flu-riddled creature like I was before, feeling pretty confident. Well, friends, I think I'm kidding myself. After getting hit by those 2 waves, there hasn't been another wave come through. I'm just too tired to keep paddling. It's only been probably 40 minutes, but no. Oh, look at that, it's over there, constantly over there. The problem is too, when you're constantly paddling the same position, when a wave does come, you haven't got full power in your arms because you're already Sort of used up half your paddling energy just to keep in the right spot. Well, I have had the workout from hell though, so you can't complain on that front. Okay, I've had enough. It's too exhausting. Those two waves were the only ones that came through the whole time I was out here. Now hopefully I can get in without getting hit by one of these guys fishing. I don't think there's very much happening in along the break wall either. Even the paddle back in is hard. And I think that was probably as good as it's going to get. Come on, Huey, give me a white water end. Well, that'll do me, I think. I've had the pretty decent workout. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to and you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and don't forget to do something every day, and we'll catch you on the next one.